Hi. Today I want to explain what hantavirus is and use it as an example to help understand what viruses are and how they spread. A virus is a tiny infectious particle that is much smaller than a cell. Unlike bacteria, viruses can't reproduce on their own. They need to enter a living cell and use that cell's machinery to make more copies of themselves. Once enough copies are made, the virus can spread to other cells and sometimes to other people or animals. Viruses spread in different ways depending on the type. Some spread through the air when infected. People cough, sneeze, or even talk. Others spread through direct contact, contaminated food or water, insect bites, or exposure to infected animals. Hantavirus is a group of viruses that are primarily carried by certain types of rodents, especially deer mice in North America. People can become infected when they breathe in tiny particles contaminated with rodent urine, droppings, or saliva. This can happen while cleaning sheds, cabins, garages, barns, or other enclosed spaces where rodents have been present. Unlike many common viruses, hantavirus in North America does not usually spread from person to person. Instead, most infections occur through contact with contaminated rodent waste or materials. Although hantavirus infections are rare, they can be serious. Early symptoms may include fever, fatigue, muscle aches, headaches, and sometimes nausea or dizziness. In severe cases, the infection can affect the lungs and make breathing difficult. Because these symptoms can resemble other illnesses, medical attention is important if someone develops symptoms after possible exposure to rodents or their droppings. The good news is that there are practical ways to reduce the risk. Keep homes and buildings free of rodents whenever possible. Seal holes that rodents can use to enter buildings. Store food in rodent-proof containers, and safely clean areas where rodents may have been present. Avoid sweeping or vacuuming dry rodent droppings, which can stir contaminated particles into the air. Instead, ventilate the area, use appropriate disinfectants, and follow public health guidance for safe cleanup. Understanding how viruses spread helps us make informed decisions to protect ourselves and our communities. Hantavirus is a useful reminder that not all viruses spread the same way, and knowing the source of exposure is an important part of prevention. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.